So what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Investing with Raph, where I talk about everything investing and investment. And today I'm going to be talking about an app called Passfolio. It helps you invest in the US market. It also has crypto options and margin trading options attached. So I'm just going to get right into the video. So this is Play Store. If you're using an Apple, an iPhone, it's going to be, I think, Apple Store. So I'm just going to go over and search Passfolio right here. So I already have the app installed. I just want to just say that I actually have already opened a Passfolio account, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to be taking us through the whole sign up process so we can see how it's going to be. Okay, so I'm going to open this up right now. Okay, so I'm going to pause this now. Okay, so right there, I'm going to click on sign up. So it's going to ask me for my email and password. So I'm going to pause right here. I'm going to pause. Okay, after you finish putting in your email and password, it's going to ask you for your country. So it would have been really nice if I could just search, okay, Nigeria. Oh, search works. I didn't know the search worked. Okay, Nigeria, that's me. I'm Nigerian, by the way. So I'm going to click on continue. Right, so why must you show me the US flag? I just literally put in Nigeria. Password, you guys should work. Okay, I'm just going to go back to this. You guys should really work on that. Okay, what's up? What's going on? Just hold on. Okay, yeah, so I'm just going to put in my number. No, Nigeria. Oh God, what the hell? So I have to scroll all the way down to get Nigeria. Okay, Nigeria. Nigeria, where is Nigeria? Okay, Nigeria. All right, so I'm just going to put in my number. Okay, so after you put in your number, they are going to send you an OTP code, or they could send it to your WhatsApp. Like you could see, WhatsApp was an option there, and then you're going to put it in. You put in the verification, and they're going to ask you for this. It's important that you put everything exactly as it appears. You have to put your name as it appears on your ID, because for regulations and stuff. So you just go ahead and do that. Okay, then they are going to ask you for your residence. So I live in Nigeria also. Well, when it comes to money, people can never be too careful. So continue, Nigeria. And they are going to definitely ask me, select your citizenship, still Nigeria. Thanks for asking. Okay. Enter your BVN. Okay, so if you are not Nigerian, you might not know what BVN is. So after you put in your BVN, then they will take you straight to the app, and that will be all. For if I don't know how other countries their own regulations are, but this is for Nigerians, so they'll just ask you for a BVN number, and you then have to now put it. Okay, so I move into the app now to show you the other part of this video. So there's something else I want to note here. You can actually go into this app without completing everything, but then you'll be missing a couple of things. I'll show you the app when I have completed every single thing. That is my actual account. This is just like a test for this video. So you can see complete application is written right here. So I can't do much with this account because I have not completed my application. So let me log into my other account, that's the main account. Okay, so this is the second part of this video, and I just want to tell you guys something very, very, very important. It's one of the first important things you should know about the app. Zero commission fees. That means when you sell and when you buy, they don't charge you for it. It's zero commission. Okay, so now that that's out of the way, this is what the app looks like when you are verified and you are logged in and stuff. So this is it. You have the stocks option, the crypto option. You can transfer money from your crypto account to your stock account, and from your stock account to your crypto account. That's if you've deposited money. Then you can not withdraw in crypto, but you can deposit in crypto. You can trade in crypto, but you cannot withdraw in crypto. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, I think there's going to be a warning. So let's say I'm going to click on the crypto here. So to withdraw from your account, you must first transfer the money to your stock account and then withdraw from it. Remember what I told you, you cannot withdraw from crypto. They don't have crypto withdrawals. Simple as that. They just have crypto deposits. So let me show you right here. add money to your stock account, so add money to your crypto account, and that warning pops up. Passfolio does not support crypto withdrawal. So there again, it's right there, and they have like a couple of stocks, a couple of cryptos. I don't know how many cryptos. I've not counted. I have not checked, so you can check that out by yourself. They have BTC, so that's nice. So they have, you could check this out when you are using the app. Um, then they have like come back here to the top. They have pro version of this app, which I find interesting. If you're a trader, you're going to love this because it has margin trading, but it's all for $5 a month. But aside the margin trading, you guys know, even though I kind of trade, but I'm not focused more in trading. I'm more of an investing kind of focused guy. So, but what I really love about this whole thing is the auto dividend reinvestment. Like, this is nice. Like, this is really nice. Usually, when you have like an investing app, you have to go and reinvest the dividends when it's paid to you into whatever stock or the same stock. But here, they just do it for you automatically. So, this is really nice for $5 a month. Well, that's nice. That seems nice. So margin trading. Well, if you're a trader, you can trade margins. So that is all to this app. I just want to put it out here. It's a disclaimer that I was not paid for this video. Like, nothing. This is just for educational purposes. Same with like every other video on my channel. I didn't get paid for any of them. They are all for educational purposes. If I got paid, I'll say it. So, however, I think I'll leave my link in the description. So if you sign up with my link, I think we get free stocks, as you can see right up here. Free stock, we both get free stock. So thank you for signing up. This is the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, and click on the bell notification there. If you are subscribed to this channel and have not clicked on the bell notification, come on, what are you waiting for? And if you have been watching my videos and have not subscribed, come on, what are you watching? What are you waiting for? Please, come on, do subscribe. All right, guys, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Happy investing, happy trading.